we're running. So first we will download the image from Void Linux. Download the image based on the musl. Once we have that downloaded, let's start up the virtual machine here. Create new one. Start recording. Yeah. Okay, select the musl ISO. Next, 2 gigs of memory, 2 CPU cores, set to 25 gigabytes. Call this void underscore Linux musl. Finish. Create it. Now opened up. Go full screen. Say OK to that. Start up. We're doing this root. Use password is void Linux. Start void installer. To the void Linux installation. It's important that Linux distribution made from scratch and built from the source package tree available as BBS and the alternative binary package system. Should be pretty straightforward. If you're in trouble, please join us with Linux and super.chat. Our website is voidlinux.org. Keyboard, going to set it to English. Network is working properly. Source, we're going to use network. Hostname, void VM. Time zone, Europe, London. Root password. Strong secure password. User account, Sam. Secure password. Can add myself to the TTY group. It's important that you're in the will group for here. It's important that you're in the will group as well. Okay. Partition the disk. CF disk, DOS. Ready new 100 megabyte partition. Then the rest is going to be where we store most of this file of the root system. Yes. Quit. File systems. So we're going to have this as vfat fat32 / boot. This is going to be ext4. We're going to type / because this will be the root. We're done. Now we install. Oh, I forgot to do the bootloader again. Do bootloader. Graphical bootloader. Yes. Go to install. 2 megabytes. And that's all good. Go install. Let's check everything's running alright. It's still recording. Get back in there. Installing the firmware. This will take a little while. Install the kernel. Should be one of the last things it installs. Grub, we can just start packing everything now. Okay, just trying to set itself up. Yes, we want to reboot the system. Do a full screen. Now we got our grub boot. Login is now. Password. First thing I'm going to do is SPS install SU to updating packages. Password down. Screen's fresh. I'm going to install Vim, Nano, and fetch. Yes. Install them. Go install Nano. Let's install fetch. Now that we've got us user recipient, I'm going to run bash rc to fix this reset, and I like to have reset as an alias to clear. Save that. Log out. Log back in. Reset is now like clear. That's this. We have no files. Now I'm going to disable the root account because we don't need it anymore. So vim, sudo vim, etc. You can see what groups we're in first actually. We're in the work group, which is like Debian sudo. We don't add those groups, so excellent. Problems with audio later on. Sudo vim, password, enter our password, and we're going to disable the root account by setting it to shell to sbin no login. And we can confirm that by sudo root, to my password, and the account is unavailable. And now, let's run the new. This another thing I like to do is alias fetch to nf, so I do that. No. Short C, log out. Sam, and then password. Reset. Fetch. You see, and that's a rough minimum installation. We start. I can type NF and it does the same thing. And that's how you install Void Linux based on the musl image network install. Okay, till next time.